Hello everyone. So our today's video is all about HTML headings. In HTML we have different headings H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So we are going to use our previous program only and we are going to do modification in the same program. So we'll start from here. We will remove this line and as I said we require H1, H2 until H6. So we'll simply copy paste this line for 5 more times. Okay. Okay, done. So we will simply only change H2, H3, H4, then H5 and H6. Okay, and here also at the time of closing H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. And we'll write only one common message, my heading. Okay, and you will find the difference in that also. Suppose my heading, okay, control C. So here also control V, here also control V, next also control V and then control V. Okay, so remember only that first line is with the H1 heading and last line is with the H6 element. Okay, so control S from the keyboard and we will simply refresh this previous or earlier page only. So here you all can see that first one it is with the H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So you all can see the font size. H1 it is largest and H6 is the smallest. So depends on your project requirement. You can use H1, H2, H3, H4, whatever is required. So that is all about HTML headings from H1 to H6. Thank you everyone.